A young college student stands before the judge, admitting she stole from Walmart during one of the hardest moments of her life. Facing criminal charges and terrified that one mistake could destroy everything she's worked for, she prepares for a life-changing hearing. But what starts as a routine retail theft case quickly takes an emotional turn nobody in the courtroom expected. Will this young woman lose her future, or will one judge see something others might miss? Stay tuned, because this case is about much more than shoplifting.
See this offense?
Yes.
December 29th, 2022, at the location of 7000 East Michigan Avenue, Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. What did you do at the Walmart that makes you think that you're guilty?
At that time, I was going through a patch in life. I went inside the Walmart and I put some miscellaneous items inside of my purse. At the time, I felt like that was the only thing I could have did, but now I know that obviously that's not the way to go, and there's a better way about going about things. So I promise to never do that again. So.
Okay. So you put things in your purse, right?
Yeah, I did.
And tried to walk out without paying for them.
I did.
You seem like an intelligent young lady. Why'd you do that?
I'm a college student and I'm trying to get my bachelor's and master's at the same time. And my parents can't really help me do stuff. So I've been pretty much doing everything by myself since I've been 17 years old. So it's kind of been hard to do. And at the time, I didn't have any money and I needed
As the defendant explains why she took the items, the emotional weight of this case becomes clear. She isn't denying what happened. Instead, she's openly admitting that financial hardship, school pressures, and trying to handle everything alone pushed her into making a terrible decision. The judge usually avoids asking defendants why they committed crimes, but something about this young woman catches his attention. Could this be a case where compassion matters just as much as accountability? And what would you have done if you found yourself struggling with no money and nowhere to turn? Share your thoughts below.
at a dementia home as well.
You know something? I usually during these pleas don't ask why somebody did something, but something told me to ask about you. I don't know what that was.
Yeah.
Store was open to the public at the time. You all right?
Yeah.
Why you just say yeah? What's wrong?
I just don't want this to ruin my future.
Okay, hold up. Hold on a minute. So let me see. Well, let me get all the facts of the plea and then I'll talk to you a second. But store was open to the public at the time, right?
Yes.
You didn't have anybody's permission to do this, did you?
No.
And these items that you took, these were items that were offered for sale by Walmart?
Yes.
All right, look, young lady. Said you've been doing this since you're 17. Don't mind me asking, how old are you?
I'm 22.
So you ran into a rough patch, didn't have money, right?
Yes.
How close are you to graduating?
One class from applying to my program, my therapy program, and then I have 2 years left, and I'll have all 3 of my degrees.
So one wasn't good enough. You got to get 3.
Yeah.
Is that it?
I was doing nursing at first, and then I changed into occupational therapy because I felt like it was better to get both of these at once. And I just so happen to have to add a minor degree as well, so I did that too. And I only have 2 classes left of that as well.
So you think maybe sort of everything that you've been working for is just going to be over because of this, right?
No, but it would make it hard to do where I need to go if this is going on and if that like if I kept that mindset. But not like I said, since this is going on, I realized that I need to change my mindset on things. So I spent this time trying to change my mindset and realize that I don't.
This conversation suddenly shifts from legal consequences to something much deeper. The judge believes the real issue isn't just the theft, it's pride. According to him, her refusal to ask others for help may have led her down this path. Rather than simply focusing on punishment, he's trying to teach a lesson about accepting support and paying kindness forward. It's an emotional moment that highlights a side of the justice system viewers don't often see. Do you agree with the judge's approach? Should courts focus more on rehabilitation than punishment in situations like this?
That you're going after your degrees and kind of how you're going through life, there's one thing that stops you from doing that, right?
Yeah,
What is it?
get in trouble, I guess.
Well, it's your pride. Your pride stops you from asking people to help you. All right, so look. Someday, it shouldn't stop you, okay? Because here's what my feeling, and again, I don't know why I decided to talk to you of all people today, but someday somebody will help you do something. That person may not ask for anything in return. The important thing you take from that is that based upon the way you are, because you're going places, young lady, I know it. I could just hear it in your voice and in terms of what you're doing. But someday somebody's going to need help.
Yeah.
And they're going to ask you. And so the important lesson you take is not that you took help at some point from somebody, but that you then gave to somebody else.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So my belief is this is not going to ruin your life. It's all not over. I have a feeling that you have probably in your long 21 years of existence on this planet made a mistake or two, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is one of them. And we're going to get you through it. Okay?
Yes. Thank you. I appreciate you stopping to talk to me because I know you don't have to do that. So I appreciate it.
I don't have to do it.
You don't have
Well,
to.
you may be right. I don't have to.
It's not a part of your
But
job what you did. So I appreciate it.
young lady, you're welcome. And the only thing that I ask that you do, to the extent you think it was something I didn't have to do or didn't whatever, is that you go forth and you just be the greatest that you can be. That's all I'm going to ask in return. And don't you cry about anything. Okay?
Thank you.
You said one other thing. Your parents aren't there to help you out or can't, right?
Yeah. They just got a lot of kids.
Pardon?
I said they just got a lot of kids.
Yeah, okay.
And I'm the one that's out the house. So I get the shit in the stick sometimes.
Despite how many they had, if you said at that one moment I didn't have, they probably would have done something for you.
Yeah, they told me they would. They told me
Yeah.
first thing I could have did. So
And so that's where your pride got in your way again.
yeah.
Okay. Don't let it, because I have a feeling, and I know that I'd feel that way because I got one of, she's a little older than you, that I'm just proud as heck of. She's going through her education and everything else, and I know that they're proud of you. All right?
Yes.
All right, young lady. I'm referring her to probation for PSI consideration of HIDA. Sentencing in this matter will be June 14th. 2000. That doesn't interfere with any class, does it?
June
She's smart. She in school and everything.
June 14th. Do have classmates, but no, June 14th, I'm okay. I only have class on Tuesdays in the summer.
Okay. During this, geez, oh, Pete. June 14th, 2023, 9 a.m. All right, young lady.
Okay.
So here's what we're gonna do. I'll put you into a breakout room with my probation department so they can get some information, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Miss Polera,
Yes, Your Honor.
Miss Davis Whitaker, do me a favor.
Yes,
Not that you shouldn't take care of all of the people you send there. You heard us talk.
I did.
This one's special for me. Take care of her.
I certainly will, Judge.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Take care.
Well, the-
This is it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. What'd you say, ma'am?
I'm sorry. Would you like me to bring her back?
No. What did she want?
I'm not sure.
I am
Your Honor?
Teresa and see. Yeah.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. I have Kira Kern Wagner with me, reporting. And she wanted to let you know that she is going to be 90 days clean tomorrow.
Today.
Or I'm sorry, today. Over here.
Where is she? Where?
She's coming.
Hi.
Oh my goodness. 90 days.
And I also, I almost passed one of my GED practice tests. I got 139, the passing is 145, but I haven't been in school in 5 years, so. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Look at you. There was a point at which you thought you couldn't do anything, right?
Yeah, many times I thought that.
Yeah.
She was
But
afraid, Judge, that you were.
everybody here kept telling you could, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
We
And
are
also-
never. Go
Sorry.
ahead.
I also got myself a laptop. It was like, yeah, it was a lot, but I got it for school. So I'm making progress. And I got a job, by the way.
All
Doing all
right.
the things.
Listen, look at you.
Yeah.
Look at you. 90 days.
What began as a shoplifting case ended with powerful lessons about pride, second chances, and personal growth. The defendant admitted her mistake, accepted responsibility, and received consideration for HYTA sentencing, which could potentially protect her future if she successfully meets the court's requirements. Even more inspiring, another participant returned to share that she had reached 90 days sober, found a job, and started rebuilding her life, a reminder that setbacks don't have to define someone's future. This hearing showed that accountability and compassion can sometimes go hand in hand. What do you think about the judge's decisions in these cases? If you found this courtroom story as emotional and inspiring as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.